Here's a problem in Windows related to free space on the hard drive. Render cache disabled is mentioned by Davinci, and free up storage space is mentioned by Windows. At least 1 GB of free space is required. So if I open a File Explorer window, go to this PC, the C drive is almost full, everything is red. Less than 1 GB is free out of 300 GB. So let's place this window here, close that arrow message, drag this window to the left so that we see this also. Go here to playback, render cache, set it to none. If we refresh it, nothing happens. Playback, delete render cache, unused, delete unused cache, delete it. The window flashed. Let's refresh this also. And now we have 68 GB of free space. So the render cache uses a lot of disk space on the hard drive, and from time to time it's good to delete it. If I set it back to smart, then the processor is fully utilized and Davinci is recreating. It was 68, now it's only 66. It's recreating the cache file for the videos which are on the timeline. Video is used, that's probably the screen recorder, and the processor is heavily used. Let's see, 66 GB free space, and if I refresh it, it should be lower, only 60. So the render cache is eating up the disk space on the C drive. If the playback is fluent, then you should disable it. Playback, render cache, none. And then playback, delete render cache, and let's use all. And from 60 GB, let's see how high will it go. Click on all. Yes, delete all render cache. CPU usage is much lower. This has 60 GB of free space. If I refresh it, will it be even more? It's back to 65. That's one way how to make some free space on your C drive when Davinci cannot create the render cache anymore.